बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रबी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा अस्सलामु अलैकुम. Hope you all are doing good. This is the mathematics book for class 8, and this is D3 book, and this is the updated 7th edition. And today we will do exercise 8A, and we do from question number 9 to question number 15, and these questions are about arc length. Let's start, students. Now, students, this is the question number 9. Find the radius of each of the following circles. Length of the minor arc is 26.53 centimeter. We have to find the radius. It means we have to find the OB. OB. The length of minor arc is given to us. The angle is also given to us. Very simple. We have to find only the radius. Now, students, question number 9, part number A, the length of minor arc is given to us, which is 26.53 centimeter. And you know the formula of length of arc, circumference of circle multiply by x over 360 degree, and x is also given to us, which is 95, and 95 degree over 360 degree. Circumference of circle is 2 pi n r, and length of minor arc is also given to us, which is 26.53. Now you have to solve it. Now, students, multiply by 95 by 2 and divided by 360 and multiply by pi, and we get 1.65. 26.53, 1.658 r. We have to find the radius. Now we cross multiply it. It's multiplied with radius. Now it's divided. 1.658, 26.53 divided by 1.658, and we get 16 centimeter is the answer. Radius is equal to 16 centimeter. Now, students, part number A is solved. Now, students, part number B. In part number B, the length of major arc is given, which is 104.6 centimeter. It means this is given to us, and angle is 214 degree, and we have to find the radius. Very simple. Length of major arc is equal to 104.6 centimeter, and the formula is length of arc x over 360 degree multiply by 2 pi r. X is also given to us, which is 214, and length of arc is 104.6, and this is 214 degree over 360 degree and 2 pi r. Now we have to solve it. 214 is multiplied by 2 divided by 360, again multiply by pi, and we get 3.73 radius. Now we have to find the value of radius. We have to cross multiply it. 104.6 is divided by 3.73. 104.6 divided by 3.73, and we get the answer 28. Radius is equal to 28 centimeters. And now, students, this is the answer of B part, and question number 9 is solved. Now, students, question number 10. The radius of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find the angle and the center of the circle suspended by the arc of length. Now this is the arc of the length and this is the radius. Now we have to find the angle. Formula is the same. Length of arc x over 3 and the circumference of a circle. Now we have to find this one x. This angle we have to find. Length of arc is 12 meter and 362 pi r is 14, and now we have to solve it. 14 multiplied by 2 divided by 360 and multiply by pi, we get 12x and 0.2443. Now we have to cross multiply it. 12 divided by 2.443, 12 divided by 0.2443, and we get 49 degree, and this is the answer of part number 1. Now students, part number 2, the length of arc is given to us, which is 19.5, and this is x over 360 degree, and 2 pi r is also given to us 14. Now we have to solve it. By solving it, we solve it in the part number A, we get 0.2443, 2443, and this is 19.5. We have to divide the 19.5 by 0.224. Now students, divide the 19.5 by 0.2443 and we get 80 degree. And this is the answer of B part. Now students, part number C, that is the length of arc x over 360 degree multiply by 2 pi r is 14. We have already calculated and we get x 0.2443, and now we have to divide it 64.2 by 2443. Divide the 64.2 by 0.2443 and we get 263 degree. Now students, D part, that is the length of the arc, which is 84.6, x over 360 degrees and 2 pi and 14. Now by multiplying it we get 0.2443, 84.6. Now we have to divide it. 84.6 is divided by 0.2443. We get the answer 84.6 divided by 0.2443, and we get the answer 346. And now students, this is the answer of D part. It's solved. Very simple. There we have to find that x. We can also write the theta. We can find that angle, and the value of radius and length of arc is given to us. We have to put this value and then solve it. And now students, question number 10 is solved. Now students, question number 11, the hand of a large clock mounted on a clock tower travel through an angle of 45. If the hour hand is 1.5 meter long, how far does the tip of the hour hand travel? The question is that the hour hand of a large clock is travel 45, angle of 45. Let's suppose the clock is travel from that point to that point. If the length is given to us, it means that is the radius. That is the radius, that is the length of the hour hand, and this is 1.5. That point is 1.5. The length is 1.5 meter long. How far does the tip of the hour hand travel? It means we have to find the length of the arc, this part. Now students, very simple question. Distance traveled by the tip of our end is, angle is also given to us, that is 45 degree, and we have to divide it total angle, which is 360. That is the formula of length of a arc length. Actually we have to find that the length of the arc, and this is 2 pi. R is also given to us, which is 1.5 meter. Now we have to solve it, and 45 multiply by 2 multiply by 1.5 and divided by 360 and multiply by pi, we get 1.178, and you can write it by round of 1.18 meters. And now students, this is the answer of question number 11. Now it's solved. We have find the distance traveled by the tip of the or end. Now students, question number 12. A piece of a wire 32 centimeter long is bent to form a sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Find the angle subtended by the wire at the center of a circle. Now the wire is given to us and we have to make this angle with that wire. The sector of a circle. Let's suppose that the sector of a circle, we have to make all these things with the wire. It means we have to add this radius and this radius in this formula. The length of wire is given to us. The length of wire is 32 centimeters. That's why we write the formula like that. Length of wire is equal to x over 360 degrees, and this is multiplied by circumference 2 pi r, and we have to add r and r in it. This r and this r is included in it because this is the length of the wire. While the length of the wire make that sector, that's why we have to write the parameter of it like that. And now we have to find the value of x, that x and length of wire, and this radius is also given to us, that is 6 x over 360, 2 pi 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now we have to solve it. Multiply by 2, 6 multiply by 2 and divided by 360 and multiply by pi, we get 0.1047, and this is 12, this is 32. 12 come that place, changes position, and it's we have to minus it. X is equal to 0.1047, 32 minus 12, and we get 20. 0.1047, it divides the 20, 0.1047, and 20 divided by 0.1047, and we get 191 degrees, and the answer is 191 degree, and this is the answer of question number 12. Now students, question number 12 is solved. Now students, question number 13. Find the radius of each of the following circles. The parameter of the minor arc is 77.91, and the minor arc is this one. In this, all these things are included. It means this parameter is equal to 2 pi r plus r plus r. these two part also included in this parameter. Now we have to write it like that. Perimeter of minor sector is given to us, which is 77.91, and this parameter is equal to, formula becomes perimeter of minor sector x over 360 degree multiply by 2 pi r plus r, and the perimeter of the minor sector is 77.91. X is equal to 148 degrees over 360 degrees. 2 pi r, we have to find the r, and 2 pi r plus 2r. Now we have to solve it. 148 is multiplied by 2 divided by 360, and we get 0. 148 is multiplied by 2 divided by 360 and multiply by pi, and we get 2.5. 2.583r plus 2r, add in it plus 2, and we get 4.583r and 77.91. 77.91. Now to find the value of r, we have to divide the 77.91 by 4.583. 77.91 is divided by 4.583, and we get the 16.9, and you can write it by round of 17 centimeter. And now students, this is the answer of A part. In part number B, we have to find the radius, and the parameter of major arc is given to us. Major sector is given to us, that is 27.8. It means that all the part is given to us. This one is included, OA and OB is included in it. But the angle is not given to us. First we have to find the angle, and it's very easy. We have to subtract 48 from 360 degree. We get the angle of the major arc, and then we have to find the radius. Angle AOB 360 degree minus 44, and we get the 316 degree, and perimeter of major sector is 278.1 centimeter, and the formula is x over 360 degree 2 pi r plus r and plus r, and x is 316 degree, and the perimeter is 278.1. This is 362 pi r is added into r, and this is 2r. Now students, we have to solve it. 316 multiplied by 2 divided by 360, again multiply by pi, and we get 515. 5.515 plus 2r, 278.1. When 2 is added in it, we get 7.515 r and 278.1. Now we have to find the value of r. We have to divide 278.1 by 7.515. 2788.1 is divided by 7.515, and now we get the 37. Radius is 37 centimeter. And now students, this is the answer of part number B. Now students, question number 13 is solved. Question number 14, the figure shows two sectors OAB this sector, and the other sector is POQ and this sector. Uh, and it has a common center O. The length of OA and OQ, the length of OA is 8 centimeter and length of OQ is 17 centimeter. Given that AO, the rectangle, is also given to us for both sectors is 60 degree, find the parameter of the shaded region. We have to find the parameter of that region. Given your answer in A plus B pi, where A and B are rational numbers. When we have to give the answer in pi, it means that we have to not solve pi. Now students, first we have to find the parameter of this arc. We can also say that the length of the arc AB, you know the formula very well. Then we find the length of the arc, that one. And when we find the for parameter of this, we have to add both these values, and you also add these values AP and BQ in it. And it's very simple to find the AP and BQ. We have to subtract the 8 from 17, we get that value, and that value is 9 centimeter. It means we have to add 9 and 9 in the parameter of both these arc, and then we get the parameter of this shaded region. Now since parameter of arc AOB is angle is given to us 60, 360, 2 pi multiplied by 8, and 60 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8 and divided by 360, we get 8 by 3 pi. 8 by 3 pi. And parameter of arc, now we have to parameter of arc POQ. This is 60, 360, 2 pi multiplied by 17. And we have 60 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 360, sorry, 60 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 17 divided by 360, and we get the 17 over 3 pi. Now students, parameter of the shaded region is equal to arc AB, arc PQ, and the length AP and BQ. We know that the length AP and BQ is 9 centimeter. I write in the book, and this is 8 by 3 pi and 17 by 3 pi and 9 and 9. By adding it, we get, these are the denominators are same, we can add it, and we get by adding 9 and 9 we get 18, and 17 and 18 we get 25 pi over 3. And now students, this is the answer, and the question number 14 is solved. Now students, question number 15. In the figure, the length of the minor arc is 7 by 24 of a circumference of a circle. Find angle AOB. We have to find that angle, this angle, and given that the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter, find the length of the minor arc. And also we have to find the AB. And the length of the minor arc is given to us 7 by 24 of the circumference of a circle. It means we have to write it like that. The length of the minor arc is equal to, yes student, the length of the minor arc is 7 by 24 of circumference of circle. This is the length of the minor arc. 15, length of minor arc uh, AOB, the formula becomes angle AOB over 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r, and the length of the minor arc we is given in the formula, which is given to us 7 by 24, and the circumference of the circle. This is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is cutted by 2 pi r. Now we have to solve it. 360 comes there, and we have to cross multiply it. 7 multiplied by 360 degrees divided by 24, and we get 105. 105 angle. And now students, this is the answer of part number 1. Now part number B, we have to find the radius of the, we have to find the length of arc, minor arc AB. We have to find the length of the minor arc AB. Now students, the radius of the circle is, radius is the 14 divided by 2, we get 7 centimeter, and length of minor arc is 105. 360 degree multiply by 2 pi, and r is given to us is 7. Now we have to solve it. 105 is multiplied by 14 and divided by 360 and multiply by pi, and we get 12.8 centimeter. And now students, this is the answer of part number 2, and question number 15 is also solved. I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.